Hi everyone, this is Jonathan Edwards, the emergency voiceover guy for when we did not get good audio. We're going to go ahead and go through with this instructional video about proper seating position. Driving with your seat adjusted properly will make you more comfortable and safe. It can help prevent muscle cramps and strains on long journeys, and it will help you be more alert and help you respond faster. Heck, it could even save your life. There are different ways you can adjust your seat, like moving it toward or away from the steering wheel, changing the incline of the backrest, and moving the headrest up and down. Once your seat is adjusted for comfort and safety, make sure you're sitting in it correctly. Remember, always wear your seatbelt. Step 1. Slide your seat until your knees are slightly bent when you're pressing the gas. Move your seat forward if your legs are completely extended when you press the gas pedal. Move your seat back if your legs are bent too much. Keeping your knees slightly bent while you drive will prevent knee pain. Sit so there's a gap 2 fingers wide between the back of your knee and seat. Place 2 fingers between the edge of your seat and the back of your knee. If you can't fit both fingers in the gap, slide your seat back until you're able to. Raise your seat up until your hips are level with your knees. Raise the seat higher if you can't see clearly out of the windshield or windows. Don't drive with your hips lower than your knees. If your car doesn't have a control to adjust the seat height, sit on a cushion to help keep your hips level with your knees. Make sure you're not elevated too much or you'll have to bend down to look out the windshields or windows. Adjust the backrest so it's reclined to about a 100-degree angle. Sitting reclined at this angle will decrease pressure on your lower back so you're more comfortable. If your shoulders lift from the backrest when you turn the steering wheel, your seat is reclined too much. Move the backrest up more if you're hunched forward when driving. When the backrest is in the proper position, you should easily be able to reach the wheel and your elbows should be slightly bent. Move the headrest so the back of the head is centered in the middle. If your head is above the bedrest when you're sitting in your seat, move the headrest up. If the back of your head is exposed below the headrest, move the headrest down. Ideally, the top of your head should be level with the top of the headrest. Adjust the lumbar support so it fits in the curve of your lower back. The lumbar support is the raised portion of the lower backrest. First, adjust the height of the lumbar support so the bottom edge is level with your waistline. Then adjust the depth of the support so that it completely fills the curve of your lower back. If your seat doesn't have a lumbar support, roll up a towel and put it in the curve of your back while you're driving. You could also buy a detachable foam support to use in place of lumbar support if your seat doesn't have it. Thanks for watching this video. This is John, the emergency voiceover guy. Now back to Danny.
Thanks for watching, Danny and Michael Lean from the all-new Buick GMC in Moosic, PA. Catch you on the next video.